Hello, and welcome to Authentic Microwave Cooking with Steve DeVries. My name is Steve DeVries, and tonight we're going to be cooking authentic lasagna using Stouffer's microwavable classic lasagna. Now I know what you might be thinking. This has got to be a complicated recipe, but it's not. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you how step by step. Now, to make things easier on me, I've already opened up one of the edges. That should save us a little bit of time. Now, if you have company coming over, you may need more than one of these. As a matter of fact, if there's more than one of you, you'll definitely need more than one of these. That's just a quick tip from me. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the lasagna from the cardboard. You might be tempted to throw this away or even recycle, which is the responsible thing, but let me tell you, you're going to need it, because if you lose this video, the instructions and everything I'm doing is conveniently written right on the back. Okay. Now, what I like to do is I like to peel just a corner of the plastic like this. This is for venting. You know, like when you get angry, you vent. Well, it's similar with the lasagna, except for it all has to do with heat and thermodynamics and stuff that I don't know anything about. So, now we're going to put this back. It's just loose on there, so this is okay as is. It'll let those gases escape. And we're going to put it in the microwave. Now, my microwave has this nice turntable. If yours doesn't, that's okay. It's just not as good as mine. But don't worry, you can still cook delicious, authentic lasagna using this method. So we're going to want to close the door in order to make this work. Now, step one is to set our timer for 4 minutes. And if you don't remember, it says so right here, 4 minutes. So I push 4, and my microwave starts. It's very easy. And there you have it, 4 minutes. Now, you might be tempted to take it out and eat right now, but don't. There's still another step. I'm going to take the lasagna out of the microwave and remove the plastic wrap. All the way this time, not just some way. That's looking authentically good. Now I will put it back in the microwave. Be careful, as this is hot, and I have burned myself just now. Now this is the next thing we need to do. We need to make sure we set the power level for 50%, not full power, or you will overcook your authentic lasagna. So, on here, I need to find the power button, which is located right here where it says power level. So I'm going to hit, first, I'm going to hit, time cook. Okay, and I apologize because this is a more complicated microwave than I'm used to. But I'm going to hit time cook followed by 530. 5.5 minutes. That's right here on the instructions. 5.5 minutes. And then I'm going to hit the power level. And it says 10 by default, but we don't want that. We want half of that. 10 divided by 5 is 2. But that's not how we want to do this. We actually want to do hit a reset. Don't let that frustrate you. Maybe the first few times you do this, you're like, oh, I'm not fast enough. But it's okay, because you can always start over. Remember, we're looking for 5.5 minutes, and then a power level of 5, which actually is 10 divided by 2. Okay, so we're going to hit time cook, and I'm going to do 530, and then I'm going to hit, at 5, and then I'm going to hit start. And it's going to go for 5.5 minutes. And there we have it. Our dinner is ready. Let's take a look. Mmm. Authentic and very hot lasagna. Made right in the microwave. I feel like I could just eat it up right now, but I'd probably burn my tongue. So I'm gonna wait. And you should too if you make this. This comes out very hot from the microwave, so don't rush in. Do not touch any of the gooey stuff. I would wait or use a fork. Another tip from me to you. Well, thank you for joining us on Authentic Microwave Cooking. My name is Steve DeVries. I've enjoyed having this conversation with you and look forward to making many wonderful dishes in the future. Toodaloo for now.